Oh shit!
It's my ghetto.
You're crazy!
Yeah,
Here is our outdoor enclosure generator backup automatic transfer switch. So we're gonna land all these feeders today. Rejoice, Emmanuel. Oh, come to thee, O Israel. ATS, and then from ATS it will be backed up from the generator. So we got an underground pipe that goes over with some 4/0 wire, copper wire. And then we got a few conduits that come out of ATS, go into the trench, into the original gear. I imagine that transformer will be eliminated since this is now going to be all 208 fed. 208 120. Here is our outdoor enclosure generator backup automatic transfer switch. So we're going to land all these feeders today. Try not to break anything. I just broke that. Made in Mexico. Come on, Mexicans. The Mexicans, not Mexicans. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel. Oh, come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel. Oh, now that is a big one. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Jumbo jack today, loaded with secret sauce. Black, red, blue, neutral. Okay, let's get this guy out of my way so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We'll shave down all that spray foam. Come on, buddy. There you go. Oh, we're taped. Good electrician's got that thing on him. Yeah. So 1/2 inch or 7/16. 1/2 inch, baby. Yeah. Yeah, got the big dog set now. Yeah, baby. That'll pair nicely with this guy here. Throw a little extension on. Oh shit, that's the wrong size. Oh no. I got a 1/4. I need a 3/8. Oh no. Shit. I am totally screwed, glued, and tattooed, dude. There's our adapter. There she is. Oh, she is thick. Yeah, buddy. Here's our one line. So we are doing emergencies from the generator. That's what's getting disconnected and connected. Then you have your line side, which is, or this is your load side from the gear. And then you have your normal power, which is our line side down here. All right, I like that. Okay. So, first, we'll start with our grounds. That's how we were taught. Yeah, my grounds, my lug's kind of big.
What's that?
My lug's kind of big.
A little oversized?
Yeah.
I have help and shove it in the lug. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we could order up some chair lugs. I mean, they're rated for parallel, so you could put two,
Double them up?
yeah. But I got three.
What does the lug have a rating on it?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't go down that small, not supposed to.
Yeah, I could do two. I can't really see, but two 250 to 1/0. And what is this, number 4?
Yeah.
So that's smaller.
There's no other lugs in there, not for ground.
No.
That's strange.
So we'll have to order some
Yeah,
up.
you got them doubled, but yeah, you got one more to do, huh?
So as far as single, it's rated to go down to number 4, one number 4. So I don't see why I couldn't do two number 4s.
Oh yeah, so it does go down to number 4. Oh, then you're fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good then.
All right, I will start with the load. So my load is gonna come up here. So we want black, red, blue. We want blue first. Let's go black. So there is our load. All right, so now emergency is Jen. Oh shit!
Over there.
Oh.
Probably that just the vegetarian guy.
What's that?
The guy who come over is probably just.
He shot it?
Day out, the airport, you know, the day out. Now we just
So he shoots real bullets.
yeah, they had the firecracker or some kind of Betty, you know, that whack. Probably get the
Wow. Good night. Good night.
It's my ghetto.
You're crazy.
Yeah, I know.